Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm back again with another sales update for eBay and Amazon for December 16th through the 31st, 2017. And if this is your first time watching my channel, I basically buy thrifted used items, sometimes new, through garage sales, estate sales, thrift stores, not so much thrift stores, but um, I don't know, church sales, wherever I can gather up things to resell. So, anyways, thanks for taking the time to watch this. And this will be quick. There's not a lot of items for that 2 week period. It was like right before Christmas, or actually during the Christmas holiday. So, as you can imagine, not a lot of people are buying used pre-owned items from eBay, but nevertheless still sold a fair amount. So let's jump right into it. This first item where I work is a company where you have a IT department where they throw away all kinds of different objects, equipment, boxes, and what have you. And they gave me some boxes. This was a empty box from a MacBook Pro. And let's see, actually, I'm going to shift back and forth between the actual sales page just to show you when I did take a best offer. So as you can see, this box sold for $24.95 plus shipping. It was just basically an empty box. It did have a power cord in it, which is a plus for the buyer. But that's it. That's all it is. And that's free money. So they were going to throw this away, and I asked them to kind of hold these aside for me, and I'll come pick them up whenever they have them. So that was pretty awesome. And then this is just a canvas shoulder handbag for that my wife picked up at a estate sale. New with tags, and looks like she got full asking price of $32.95 plus the shipping again. So that was awesome. Next up is another box from my IT department, another free box. Like I think I did, yeah, I took a best offer of $21 on this one. Just another empty box for a Microsoft Surface Pro. I think it's like a tablet laptop type thing. So another one, free money. Just had to take a couple pictures and put it up here, and it sold within a couple of weeks. And then this is a thrift store find. It's a Digimon Battle World. It's like these little toys where they have these little scenes and then little characters that you kind of like little kids play with. It was Japanese import. Sat for a very long time, so I did take a best offer of $30 for this one, and I probably paid no more than $3 or $4. And then this actually, there's quite a theme here going on. This is another free item. I look at the local free offerings on like Craigslist and what have you every morning. And there was a couple of these Cisco phones. One was new in the box. This one's used. And anyways, free. I got the full asking price of $24.97 plus shipping. Nothing special about it. Just a desktop office phone with a digital display and everything. So that was pretty great. And then this, I took a chance on this at a garage sale. I bought this Nerf Sonic Vulcan machine gun, and I paid $35 for it, and I actually sold this thing like 3 times, and the buyer never ended up paying all 3 times. And then finally I got tired of doing that, so finally I took a best offer of $75. So probably made about $30 after fees. Kind of a hassle because this thing's huge and I had to make a box for it, but it was an experiment and I didn't lose any money, so sometimes it happens that way. And then a lot of times if I see something around the house that I am not using, rather than throw it away, I'll throw it on eBay just for a little bit to see if anybody will buy it. And these are these little Wi-Fi extenders that plug into your wall outlets that I think it was AT&T gave me these because I wasn't getting coverage around the house. And I did take a best offer of $17 for these. So rather than throw them away, turned them into cash. And then just found this t-shirt. I don't even know where I got this. I believe we got this from a garage sale, like for like $1. It's basically a Yosemite National Park, the Wild Bear Project. You know, it had a little bit of wear, but it had some really nice graphics on, especially the back. Had a weird, it's kind of weird having this big graphic on the back and then a little like logo on the front. But anyways, it was one of those things that was just sitting in a pile in a bag for months and months, and I finally just decided to throw it down and throw a picture of it, and took actually sold it for $12.97 plus shipping. And then I think I paid a little bit, like 18 bucks for these boots. I thought they were gonna sell for really well, but they sat for a while, so I did take a best offer of $34.95 with shipping plus shipping. And then this is a let's see, we got this in a lot. We actually bought 100 pieces of clothing from like a wholesaler, and they averaged out like $4 a piece once everything was said and done with shipping. And we did take a best offer for this it's like a coat, a wool coat, with like a design on it. And the buyer did end up sending it back, returning it, because it didn't fit them. So let's see here. Yeah, I don't know why it says partially refunded, but anyways, they did return it. So it's back up for sale. And, you know, they paid a restocking fee because the measurements were given right here. And so they paid shipping to ship it back, and we got a little bit of money out of it. And then this is just a used phone that my son was finished with. Actually, no, I got this for free from work. I always go to our person that's in charge of cell phones trade-ins, and usually people trade in a phone if it's like has a cracked screen or has a problem, and I'll list it as for parts are not working. So this one, I got this one for free and sold it for $50. And then this is another free item that I got. It's just a belt buckle that is like a revolver pistol, and I think it sat for a couple of years actually. So I finally took a best offer of $20. And then this was a really nice find. I remember seeing YouTube videos of YouTubers that always found like these city mugs from Starbucks, and I'd never found one for like a year and a half, and finally I found like 3 of them at a garage sale. I paid $1 a piece. This one for Baltimore, I guess it's a little more rare than some others. And let's see, I took a best offer of $50, so that's pretty awesome when you can sell a coffee mug for $50. And then this is a PS2, just the console and cords, no controllers or anything. I picked these up. I picked up like 3 of these at a garage sale, and I think I paid like $3 a piece for them. And this is the last of the 3. Let's see, did I take a best offer? No, I got full asking price of $40. I learned a lot on these. The part numbers, like I had two of the regular ones like this one, and then a slim one that was from Japan. That one I think I sold for like $65 or $70. And then these regular ones, both had different part numbers. I guess one is more valuable than the other. Was like the least valuable, but it still sold for $40. So if I can get them for a couple of bucks, I'll always pick those up. And then of course the Robert Graham shirt. I bought a lot of 4 of these for I think $85. So I basically paid like 20 $22.50 each, and this one sold for $62. I took a best offer of $62. So, and I think I have one more left. And then I picked these up at a Goodwill, and I think I paid around $16 for them. And I took a vest offer of $62. They're like a vintage hiking boot that have Gore-Tex, so they're waterproof. This is the second time I've sold these, and the first one set I found was in like really good condition, like very lightly used condition, like these. So yeah, I guess there's a kind of a cult following or something like that. And then this is part of an auction lot that I bought. There are these stem units that chiropractors use. These are like the home version of that, where it generates like stimulation to like sore muscles or what have you. This one I sold for full asking price, $49.97 plus shipping. And I think I paid probably about $3 to $4 a piece for these. I bought like a whole box full of them, and I've been kind of selling them. They're not quick sellers, but so far I've sold like probably 6 or 7 of them. And then this was a pair of, I think somebody gave these to us. They're just some North Face snowboard pants for kids, girls. And they've been sitting in a bag for years and years, and I finally took a best offer. Oh, actually no, I listed them after being in a bag for years, and they sold within like less than a week for a best offer of $25. And then, so that's the end of the eBay items. So now I'm going to jump over to Amazon. And as you can see, Amazon, their sales pages aren't, I mean, they don't show a big, nice photo and you can't zoom in. So a little less interesting. But anyways, just for Amazon, we had just a few orders. And basically, we bought a lot of these from a beauty like salon that was going out of business. We bought a whole bunch of these hair care products, and this particular brand, for some reason, I wish we could have found more of these, but they only had a certain limited number of these, and they've been selling very consistently. So we paid about, when I averaged it out, we paid about $2.50 per product, per bottle, and they're mostly like hair sprays and mousses and stuff like that. So this one is a Kevin Murphy anti-gravity hairspray, sold for $20 plus shipping. Let's see here. And then same Kevin Murphy volumizing mousse, this one. Oh, so they bought 3 of these for a total of $73.80. That was a pretty awesome sale. Like I said, we paid an average of $2.50 per bottle, so that was great. And then this particular EO brand, peppermint, like tea tree oil, sell these for $30 a piece. And then I buy books by the box, so I usually pay, most I've ever paid for a box of books is like $5, and it's like those big moving boxes. So it averages out to like, I don't know, 50 cents a book or maybe less. And so I just list them on Amazon. Even if they only sell for like $10, it's still, you're still making a decent profit. And then the shipping templates sometimes charges more than the actual customer, or it actually costs to ship. So you make a little bit of money on shipping as well. So here's just a book called The Stroke of Insight that sold. And what is this? This is just, okay. So we picked up these massage pillows. Let me expand this just to show you what it looks like. There's just these lumbar pillows, and they had like the USB and battery powered like vibration in them, and we picked them up for like $3 or $4 a piece at a church sale, and it looks like we sold them for it looks like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong page now. Here we go. So $30 a piece. So, and then they paid shipping. So that was pretty awesome. Awesome little flip. And then what is this? Just a eyeshadow palette that we sold. My daughter used to get one of those monthly boxes that had different makeup products, and she would usually like get one or two things that she liked out of it, and then give us the rest. And if you sell like one thing, it pays for the entire box plus some. So this is one of those products that we had left over from one of those boxes. Um, and then there's some more foot lotion, and then this is just a mug that I paid like 33 cents for. Um, Not very great. Yeah, I mean, it was new, but the print quality wasn't great. But it sold anyways. And what did I? Let's see, what did I sell for? I think I sell them for like 18 bucks or around there. Yeah, 17.95 plus shipping. So, anyways, that is it, guys, for this time period. And I want to thank you again if you made it this far for watching the video, and hopefully I helped you in some way. If you would like to, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. And as always, I ask if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will answer each and every question to the best of my ability. And I just want to thank you again. And until next time, signing off. All right, bye.